down. Let me see.
Look, my whole finger's inside.
Bro, I'm not that acrobatic. Yo, Sherry, I just turned in a $5 problem to a $2,000 problem.
And then take that foot. That foot's gonna touch the ground. Your right foot's gonna touch the ground. Listen, I ain't telling you to get up there.
Yo, Jerry, I think, you know what it is? It's one of them things when...
I think you're overthinking it. Just drop.
Not that strong.
Yeah, it's actually pretty strong,
Yeah.
though. It kind of looks better without the whiskers, bro. The grill is the most important part. The grill and this little bottom thing right here. Even without the front lip, it's not even bad. I like that look right here.
It sounds worse than what it is.
They're trying to get footage if I run into the TV.
Insurance purposes.
Good.
Yeah.
Coming in live from my guy Jerry's garage. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys the progress that we had before, but me and Jerry, well, mostly Jerry, I ain't even gonna lie to you, a whole bunch of improvements on this garage. The big giant TV, bike rack, we got the Trex on there, and a soundbar I donated to my guy Jerry for the garage. Nice little soundbar setup. My man's doing it big. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Crazy. Guy got the crazy setup with the garage motor, all that stuff. This right here is goals. This is garage goals right here, boy. A couple things gonna happen to the front. I gotta take off the bumper. We're gonna fix a couple things, or try to fix a couple things. I'm gonna try to save this whole front end from the damage. If you guys see right here, I hit a curb. I was mad sleepy. It wasn't even no crazy driving or anything. I was just tired and just tore that thing up. So hopefully, hopefully I'm able to do something with this, because it doesn't look like it's crazy damage. And believe it or not, I was actually looking online and trying to find on eBay used bumper that somebody's selling, and literally all the used bumpers that people are selling online for like $600 looks worse than that. So I figured maybe I could do it myself. I got me one of these things, a plastic soldering kit. Put the link down below, and I don't know, me and my guy Jerry gonna take a crack at it ourselves, because like I said, I be so busy back and forth. I got my work clothes with some jeans and all that. Got the Apexes, they fresh. I showed you guys this in the last video, how they look. So yeah, they the gold ones. I'm gonna throw them on the car soon, probably when it gets warmer, with a nice little Mickey or Nitto. But yeah, I'm gonna be ripping this bad boy off right here, the M4 competition logo. The wheels, work clothes, whole bunch of shit. What's up?
You don't know how to drive?
I was tired and I made a U-turn. I appreciate all of you guys that watch the videos, but I think I might be one of the most boring YouTubers in planet Earth, because I don't know, I don't do things that I naturally don't want to do. And to put all them like dress up bolts and spruce up the engine bay and all that stuff, I mean, yeah, it looks cool and I enjoy the content that people get out of it, but personally, I don't really care for it too much. I just like it to be clean, which this is not clean, but that Brooklyn gray and the lighting with the red in seats, fire, boy, fire. Now we got great lighting, so you can check out the carbon backs on this bad boy. This right here is probably one of the most expensive options you can get on these cars, besides the carbon ceramic brakes. And it looks fire, especially going up against the carbon on a carbon. However, they are a little bit more uncomfortable than the comfort seats, and you never really get to see the carbon. It's kind of why I don't tint it out, because I want you guys to see the M4 logo light up with the carbon fiber seats. It looks dope. The contrast, I think it's the contrast, the number one thing. And two, the way I drive this car, I don't know, for some reason at night when I tint out the fronts, which I do all my sedans, you really can't see much. So I don't know, that's just me, but let me know what you guys think. This does look OEM and ugly as fuck though. I will be honest, if I would tint a window, it'd be the back window, because I mean, it looks mad stock like this, but these not too bad. But then it would look stupid if I just tint this and not that. So yeah, there we go. With the wheel full lock and reverse, you get that rubbing sound. Fins right here. So I've been running like that for a year. I don't mind when reverse. It does sound kind of cheesy, especially for an expensive car like that. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to cut these fins off and we're gonna see how it works. So ever since I messed up the front, I ain't even gonna lie, ever since I hit this corner right here, it's been rubbing a lot worse, both forward and backwards. So I think I might have destroyed this side a little little bit worse, but we're gonna see. I just gotta clip on a couple things and fix this lock issue.
Man, you ate the rims too.
Nah, bro. None of this is curb ass. Like if you look at it, it's actually not on the side where you'd back into it. It's on the top. That's another thing too. The wheels are gonna be coming off too, so. I ain't gonna lie, yo. No fender liner. That's all literally what's there. Nothing else. Like, you'd be surprised. Like, it's so open in here. I don't know if you guys can see. But it's kind of crazy. If you look on the passenger side, this one is a lot worse. This is the side that I did the little accident on and pushed this fender liner back and literally rubbed. You can see right now, it's like basically on it, so. I don't know, hopefully this something's back here is not pushed because it's like flush all against here. So I'm thinking something back here got pushed back, or maybe it's just because this is snapped off, so I'll figure out in a second. Yeah, the motivation I'm getting right now is from working on this, how easy it is.
But just to think about it, let's say you have your second car.
Oh.
Go to Lisa.
Yeah.
The old shit?
Huh?
Oh, you gotta transfer all this shit over to the new one?
Yeah. Here, Jerry, pass me the broom. Yo.
More than a broom.
I'm scared to put my hand in here because there might be extra things living in there. It's feathers.
That shit needs a mesh in the front.
Huh? Yeah. No, look. This has it has a mesh right here, but the mesh is so far back. Yeah.
Is that the one that's hidden?
What do you mean? Oh my bad. I put the flashlight in your face. Look at this, yo.
That's the stuff. Damn.
Crazy, bro.
Got the styrofoam in there and everything.
The styrofoam? Oh nah. So you see it's already broken? I just have to trim this. The rest of it is good.
Bro, so why don't you just cut the whole shit out
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll cut this little
and put
piece.
the mesh in the back?
They were saying that I don't even need to mess with this. Just cut these, like this one row. That's good. Snip, snip.
Snip shit.
Yo, I think a little bit more damage was done. Oh no, this is loose too. See, it's straight up and down. If you go on this side, this is bent back. Oh yeah, hell yeah, bro. Look, it's definitely bent. You see it? It's twisted. The bracket. Look, you see the top? The top is right here, and the bottom. Oh yeah, look.
Nah, I see it, yeah.
It is. Yo, bro, I swear I hit the curb at 5 miles an hour, bro. Not even more than that.
Add another 10.
You see how I noticed? Because you see how this is on and this is cracked.
This is in. That
Yeah,
way.
I'm gonna just bend it back.
Let me hit the light quick.
Oh yeah, my bad. It's definitely bent.
Damn.
Yeah, bro.
What the fuck?
I'm surprised no rat live in there.
Shit, don't say that.
Oh yeah, you're right. Can this come off with that? Oh. See, that's the own piece. Well, look at this. It's still broken from here.
Chop quick though. You're gonna let all the heat out. Oh, it died. No, it didn't. You put it right there.
Yo, it's 9-day difference with heat. And like, when you close this back, oh, that's a little scratch. Hey, bro, it's cool because it's not even as deep as the rock chip. It's not even as deep as the rock chip. This is it didn't go to the surface.
So it's not the plastic, it's this. The bottom seat.
Yeah.
Gotta be pushed down.
You know what? I'm gonna just check the price. I get the part number. I'll order it, and then I'll just unscrew it and rebolt it back up.
It.
Yeah.
What the QR shit?
That works. I think that only for the warehouse thing, the manufacturer. Yeah, little. You know how they put the little guns on them. Bro, I cannot believe it. So it's like we took 2 steps forward, but we didn't know we was 5 steps back.
Oh, this shit cracked too.
What cracked?
The fender liner.
Oh yeah. I know that cracked. I gotta order that new one of those. But I just didn't want to. I wanted to put it on and make sure it was good before I bought a new one and rub that one out too.
Yeah, I feel like just bring this down. If you bring this down, it'll seat up properly. Other than that, though, it's just you have that cap, though, that's all. And then you just touch it this already. I don't know what either.
Bro, we didn't even get to use the damn soldering thing.
Why? What do you need that for?
Just to solder the bumper.
So let's do it. Oh, the whole piece?
The who?
This whole bracket piece comes out.
This?
I think so.
Let me see.
Look at the back. Does it come out?
Oh, let me see. That's a good question. Yeah, it does.
It does come out, right?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, screwdriver.
Oh shit, yeah.
Let me see.
Don't break it.
Just push it out. See?
Oh, that's
yeah, that's where it broke.
You use the little pliers. Nah, I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, no. This is what we came here for. Oh, look at that. Yeah, got a little rip.
You'll get the pry tool?
Pry two.
On the left.
Hold on.
Second on the left.
Put this back. Second on, wait, what?
Yeah, there. None. Down. Down. Third one.
Oh,
Grab one of the little pry tools.
this one?
One of them that fits in here.
Gotcha.
Alright. Is it coming out or no?
Hold on.
Is it loose or not yet?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Boom. Need more heat?
I'm just trying to crack it.
Just don't crack it, yeah.
See, I like that this 3M is cut exactly to it.
Yeah.
You think glue? I'm gonna glue this bad boy on. What do you think?
You can even do epoxy.
Yeah, epoxy. What you said, bro. I had the Ghettoist M4. It didn't even have the logo on the front. That looks way better. Way better. Go right here. And
Oh, so that was connected.
yeah, this is one piece. Yeah, I broke.
I'm gonna fix that, bro. Come on. You're not fixing that.
Yo, Jerry, you can fix it.
That's not, there's no, I thought it was like a flat piece. If it's flat, yeah.
I thought it was flat
Yeah?
too. I thought it was flat too.
There's no way you
I thought
fix
it.
that.
I thought it was gonna be like this.
See,
I thought it was
this-
gonna be like this.
This you could fix.
Yeah.
Not that.
Cause the thing is, bro, I ain't gonna hold you. I feel like this bumper could be saved. That's what happens. I be trying to save them, Jerry.
Stop being Superman.
I be trying to save them, and look where I ended up at.
Take your losses and run.
Yeah, that can't. You think so?
There's no way, bro. The only thing I can see you doing is putting a bracket in the back and back here.
But that's mad ghetto for an M4. That's kind of ghetto.
That's the only way.
You think that's too ghetto
This
though?
is 100%. I wouldn't even do it.
Yeah, like.
Bro, there's no way you could put this back together. I thought when you said it cracked like here, I thought it was something like this.
Well, see, to be honest, I didn't even know because the black fin was on it, so I didn't even know how bad the crack was. But I just kept looking at this, and I'm just like, oh, it's not that bad because this looks like it could be like buffed or something.
Bro, you hit it so hard that it hit the curb and it pushed this all the way in that it got up in here. Damn.
Yo, I got that. Yo, son. Yo, it was just like this. Damn. I was like, yo.
Bro, that's not $5 an hour. There's no way. You flexed it. I mean, if you want to apply some heat and push it up.
A new bumper is only $700. It's honestly at this point, it's not even worth saving.
Because that one only comes up a little bit. Over there on that side.
Yeah.
Like here?
Yeah, this one comes up a lot.
That,
Yeah.
This one comes up a whole bunch.
All right, so we started this video out. Now we're like 30 steps behind.
But this is a no. I mean, you want to probably.
Nah, it's not even worth it at this point.
Because
the point is, I mean,
right back
yeah, and that's kind of like doing something stupid, like.
Because you gotta remember too, like this is under pressure now, right?
Yeah, it is under pressure.
So you gotta push it in.
It's a good
The minute
idea.
you let go of it, it's gonna pop right out.
It was a good thought. Oh, every single one on this side is broke. You see? Every single one is already broke. Oh, thanks. Honestly, I just wanted to use this. It looks cool to use, bro. Actually making a thumbnail. You get what I'm saying? This gonna be probably the most creative thumbnail I've ever made in my life. I mean, not standing on anything that's gonna bend.
Just the front, only the front.
What?
The front struts.
Bro, I'm not that acrobatic.
Like it looks like a big opening, but it's not. There you go.
Oh, shit.
And watch that air intake.
Oh, yeah. Bro, I feel like if this was a 1982 Buick, there'd be so many spots I could lean on.
Yeah, but you know what? I don't think car was designed for you to lay on the engine.
It wasn't. What you think? Yo, slide it down. Hold on. I should have. Oh, fuck, Jerry. Yo, Jerry, I just turned in a $5 problem to a $2,000 problem. Hold on. What makes me look. Hold on. How does this one look like?
Now put both your hands.
Yeah, I can barely stand. I'm falling. To the couple. Hold on. Shit, that's plastic.
Put your foot on the front brace.
Front brace.
That one right there.
This right here?
No, the whatever the core right there in the front.
This?
Yeah.
With this foot?
Yes. And then just pop over.
Jerry,
No.
What are you talking about?
Take that foot.
Uh-huh.
Put it on there.
Uh-huh. This right here?
To the front, more to the front.
Uh-huh.
And then take that foot. That foot's gonna touch the ground. Your right foot's gonna touch the ground. Listen, I ain't telling you to get up there.
Yo, Jerry, I think, you know what it is? It's one of them things when...
I think you're overthinking it. Just drop. You're not gonna break nothing. It's gonna hurt, but you're not gonna break.
myself. I can't...
I'm saying.
Oh! Fuck, you think
Yeah,
so?
you get this on video, I'm
good?
crying.
My leg not gonna get caught on anything?
Nah, just put that leg down.
Yo, Jerry. Fuck. That was still worse than it is. My back don't hurt though. That's
Hey, what's more?
Yeah, so I gotta go take a look at this beater car too. Piece of crap. Well, it's a piece of crap, but I have goals. I have plans. I want to get an old BMW and spice it up. My goal is an E34. I'm going to look at an E34. It's in Dix Hills.
I want a 46.
Oh yeah, they a lot of money.
I want one.
So I'm gonna close this part out right here and just when you guys see this car next, it's gonna be out of Jerry's garage and insane looking. I'm talking about fresh wheels, everything. I got plans for the wheels. I got plans for all of that. It looks like with all of this off, it looks like I got an extra angle. It looks crash bent, doesn't it?
What?
Like the wheel. Am I bugging?
Crash bent? No.
Like bent so it looks bent more than it. Jerry, I'm bugging.
Because you can actually see the wheel now. With the bumper on, you can't see the wheel.
Yeah.
This guy's tweaking.